So we have our sink right here, and as you can see, it is very well clogged. There's our sink, water's not getting through, it is just nasty. So we bought some Drano Max Gel type here. We're going to use this to unclog our sink. But before we actually do that, because I know this stuff works really well, let me actually open up the package here. So this one will take care of this drain, no problem. But I'm just going to show you guys how much nasty hair is in there, and I'll show you guys how this thing can take care of all that hair. But again, if you are just using this to clean your drain, you don't even need to pull out the hairs. I'm just going to pull out the hair so I can show you that it does have hair, and this thing will dissolve the hair. This is Pro Strength, and you see right there, the Max Gel, hair clog, standing water, slow drains, pipe buildup, takes care of all of that. It's crazy. This stuff is quite amazing. So make sure you have this on tap whenever you need to clear a drain like this. So you see, this is literally standing water. So I'm going to go ahead and take out this. So be careful. This is going to be nasty. It's going to be really nasty. You look there, see all that hair? That is really nasty buildup. So you can take out all this hair and the drain will be very fast. But for the sake of demonstration, let's see if this thing will remove all this hair naturally. See that? That is some nasty gunk, right? So I can just take this out right now, but if you don't want to deal with that hair, let me show you guys how amazing this stuff is. It's going to take care of all of that. So here, watch this. So you want to use this and you want to pour it very slowly. Super easy. You pour 1/5 of the bottle slowly into the drain, wait about 15-30 minutes, and then flush with hot water. Repeat if necessary. So let's go ahead, and we don't even need to shake this thing. So we're going to carefully pour this. Watch out for splashes. You don't want this to splash. Alright, so we're going to carefully pour the gel. Very carefully. There we go. Just pour nice and slowly. About 1/5 of the bottle. So we're going to pour it in there really slowly and let it work. Now, some people say this does stain your porcelain. So I don't want to put too much. I just let it kind of slowly work its way in. And when it works its way in, I'll pour a little bit more here. We'll continue to pour through. And right now, what it is it's just dissolving. It's literally dissolving all that nasty hair and stuff. But the cool thing about this is this Drano is designed to not damage your sink, piping, or any of that. So you see now it's starting to work its way down. We're going to do that a few more times there because we want to pour about 1/5 of this bottle into the drain. And you see how it's moving much faster right now because it is dissolving all that hair, all that buildup. It's looking pretty good. We'll do it maybe one more time right here, but you see it's starting to move pretty fast. So it's dissolving all that. The cool thing about the gel version is that it allows it to sit long enough to actually dissolve the nasty hair. Because if you don't get the gel version, sometimes it will just kind of flush down without actually dissolving the hair. That's why we always get the gel version, because the gel version is the maximum effectiveness. Again, you see right there, the gel takes care of everything, including the pipe buildup. So it does take care of all that stuff. We'll do it one more time right here. And there we go. That should be good enough. And all you gotta do is now we can just flush this down. So it says wait 15 to 30 minutes before we flush it. So we're just gonna give it some time there, and we'll come back in a little bit and flush it out. Alright, so we waited about 15 minutes now. Again, the instruction was just pour, and then wait about 15 minutes. So we wait about 15 minutes. Now all we gotta do is flush the drain with hot water. So let's go ahead and turn on the hot water, and let's see. Oh wow, look at that. No more clog. No more clog. And I didn't have to pull up the nasty hair, do any of that. It is just working right now. So we just flush it, and I mean, there's nothing really more to do. Look at that. It's working. And you saw how much nasty gunk there was in there, and now it's just working like a charm. It's very hygienic. You don't have to deal with all the nasty hair and stuff, or call a plumber. All you gotta do is get the Drano Max Gel, pour about 1/5 of the bottle in, wait 15 to 30 minutes, turn on the hot water, and as you can see, it has effectively cleared the drain. This is the best outcome you can imagine. This was so bad. You see all that nastiness? That's because every time we use the sink, it will just clog up, and all that nasty stuff from brushing your teeth and all the gunk just kind of builds up, and look how nasty it's made our drain, or our sink. It's made it so nasty. And now, I mean, it's just literally working. I mean, I can't even show you any buildup because it's just flushing through. So there you guys have it. That is the Drano Max Gel in awesome execution right there. This thing is incredible. I mean, if I can give it 2 thumbs up, I can give it 2 thumbs up, right? I guess I can't. But yeah, this is good stuff right here. Drano Max Gel. Oh yeah.